where we are here to discuss the academic parts of mathematics. Before starting with our academic parts, our core mathematics, let me discuss a thought with you. The thought of the day is stars can't shine without darkness. One more time, stars can't shine without darkness. What does it mean? If there is a star, if you want that star should shine, the sparkling or the shine of the star, if you want to see, then what is the important thing? The most important thing is what? The darkness. Okay? If the darkness is not there, then I don't think so that you can see the star. Right? So, the present conditions are what? The darkness. Okay? The present condition are what? The darkness. And who is the star? Yes, of course. We are the stars. And we are going to shine very soon. Right? And this is what the darkness of the COVID-19 and the confidence in ourselves, the trust in ourselves is what are shining. The creativity, the activity which we are doing is going to be our shine. The result which we are going to produce is what going to be our shine. And definitely this COVID-19 will give us an opportunity to produce ourselves, to show our talent and all. Okay, so if you want that you should be shine like a star, if you want to be star for tomorrow, you have to work hard and you have to work sincerely today, whatever the condition is. Right? So don't be at the back seat, don't be on the resting mood, try to be on the active mood and try to shine yourself and be the star for tomorrow. So, one more time, stars can't shine without darkness. Now, let's start with our academic part. Right now, we are on chapter number 12, that is area related to circles. Today, we are going to start with exercise number 12.2. But before going ahead with the exercise number 12.2, a quick recap. In our previous video, we have solved exercise number 12.1. In that video, where we were solving the exercise number 12.1, the exercise 12.1 was totally dependent on the area of the circle and the circumference of the circle. Where we have solved the first 6 sums of the exercise. In that sums, the sum number 1 was depending on the area, depending on the circumference of a circle. What is circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is nothing but the perimeter of that circle, which can be found out by using the formula pi into d or 2 pi r. After that, we have gone through the area of the circular regions. Okay, or the area of the circle. The area of the circle can be found out by pi r square, where r is equal to radius, pi is nothing but 3.174 or 22 by 7. Okay, and what is pi? Pi is nothing but the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Okay, so the value of pi can be found out by c upon d, that is circumference divided by the diameter. Okay, or if you want, you can check it also, not an issue. Right? For any circle or for any value of the circumference and the diameter, the value of the pi will be same. You can cross check with any circle. If you will divide the circumference of a circle by its diameter, you will be getting the constant value, that is nothing but your pi. Okay, and before that we have gone through the total components of the topic of the chapter number 12, area related to circle. So this was the diagrammatic or the pictorial form of the topic which we are going to learn in this topic. So what I want is, I already told you that in this page you have to, or this diagram you have to draw on the very first page of the topic when you are going to start with the topic in your notebooks. On the first page, you should draw this diagram, the components of the chapter number 12. Is that okay? Hopefully, you will be doing it and you must have done also, because right now we are going to solve the exercise number 12.2. So this was a quick recap. Now let's go ahead with the sums of exercise number 12.2. So what it is? The sum number 1.
Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree.
So the given sum is sum number 1. What is given in this? The radius is equal to 6 cm and the sector angle, that is theta, is given as 60 degree. And what we are going to find? We are going to find out area of sector, right? As we have discussed already, the formula for area of sector is, since sector is a part of circle which is inside the circle, so it is theta upon 360 into area of the circle. Okay, therefore area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Easy to find out. Simple calculations are there, nothing else. So what is theta? It is 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into what is r? 6 into 6. Okay, so 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 6 are. This 6 and this 6 also gets cancelled. And now it depends on you. You can use any one value, 22 by 7, or you can go ahead with the 3.14 also. Okay, so here 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 1 13. So it is 132 upon 7 centimeter square. This is what the required answer. Now sum number 2.
Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 cm.
Sum number 2. Let's formulate it first. What is given? The circumference of circle is given, right? Circumference is equal to 22 centimeter, and then what we have to do? We have to find area of quadrant of circle. Now what is quadrant? Quadrant means 1 upon 4. Okay, means simply we will find out the area of circle divided by 4, we will get the 1 quadrant circle. Okay, but right now we don't know here the radius also, so we will be using whatever is given, that only we have to use. So circumference is given, so here therefore circumference is equal to 22 centimeter, right? But we know what is formula for circumference. It is 2 pi r is equal to 22, right? So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 22. We want this r, so we will keep it separate. 22. This 7 will go up, this 22 will come down, this 2 will come down. So this 22 and 22 will get cancelled, and what is the r? It is 7 by 2. You can use it as 3.5 also, but keep it in the fractional form because it is 7 into, which can be like easy. Okay, now what? Area of quadrant circle, okay, is equal to pi r. It will give you full circle, and if you will divide it by 4, you will get a quadrant. So area of the quadrant circle is pi r square divided by 4. Okay, so what you can do is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 divided by 4. This 7 cancel, this 2 and 11 gets cancelled. So 11 sevens are, it is 77. This 2 will come down, so 2 4s are 8. Now centimeter square. Okay, this is what one of the way quadrant circle that is divided by 4. Or if you will go ahead with the sectors formula, so that time if it is quadrant circle, the theta will be what? 90 degree. Okay, so the next sum, that is sum number 3.
The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 cm. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes.
The length of the minute hand is what? 14 centimeters. So if you can see the watch, it is circular. So here we will go ahead like this, given that length of minute hand, that is R is equal to 14 centimeter. What we have to find out? Find area swept by minute hand in what? 5 minutes. Now if you will imagine the diagram, what it is in the 5 minutes, it will be like this. So what you are going to do, you are going to find out the area of the sector. But for that you need radius, which we have, you need angle also, that is theta. Now if you will go ahead with the total one round, the total degrees are 360. Now how we can find it in the degree of angle, that is in 5 minutes. So for that, what we can do, therefore theta in 5 minutes, that is equal to, total is what? 360 degree, right? Divided by how many minutes are there? That is nothing but 60. Okay, from 60, how many minutes you have taken? You have taken 5 minutes, or this 60 in place of writing here, write it here. Okay, so 360 is what your total degrees. Then how many minutes you want from the total minutes? The total minutes are 60 in 1 hour. So from 60 minutes you have taken the 5 minutes. Okay, so this 6 and this 6 sorry, this 0 and 0 cancel. 6 1 are 6 6 are. So 6 5 is what? 30 degree. So your theta is equal to 30 degree. And now area swept in 5 minutes can be given as theta upon 360 into pi r square. I think formula is always important. 30 upon 360 into 22 by 7. Then what is your radius? That is 14 meter. Okay, so 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 0 0 cancel. 3 ones are 3 12s are. Now it depends on you how you can go ahead. 2 6 are, again 2 3s are, and then 2 11s are. Right? Now 11 14 cannot be divided by 3, so what we will go ahead with the multiplication. Therefore what? Therefore 11 into 14. It is up to you. 11 or 41s are 14, 1 carry 41s are 14 and 1 15, and then 3. Okay? Therefore area swept in 5 minutes is equal to 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That is 51.3 centimeter square. Then we go ahead with the sum number 4.
A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Use pi is equal to 3.14.
Number 4 is given things first. Radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Theta is also given, that is 90 degree. And what we have to find out? Find area of minor segment and major segment both. Okay, now how the diagram is? The diagram is like this circle. Then this is what a chord, right? Then this is what 90 degree, this is what 90 degree. This is what 90 degree angle. So chord AB is what chord. This we know 10 centimeter radii, and the rest things are what in front of you. Now what you have to do? Where is the segment? This part is what your segment. Right? This part you have to find out. Now to find out this part, either you should know the full area of circle and the remaining part, or you should know the area of sector OAB. From that area of the sector, you can remove the area of the triangle. This is what the easiest way. Okay, and then you can go ahead with the things. But beyond that, there is one more formula which we can apply directly. That is like this: area of minor segment is equal to pi r square theta upon 360, same as the previous one, pi r square area of circle theta upon 360. Okay, then minus 1 by 2 of r square sine theta. This the value of pi is also told us that pi is equal to 3.14 here. For this sum we are going to use. Okay, so after keeping the values now, what we will get is equal to pi means 3.14 into r square means 10 into 10, theta is 90 divided by 360. Okay, then minus half into 10 into 10 into 1. Okay, sine 90 is what? 1. So this 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9 4s. Okay, then this 3.14 multiplied by 100 will give you 314 upon 4. And then here it is 10 tens are 100 divided by 2 is 50. Right? Now if you will solve it, it is what? 4 sevens are 28. Right? And again 34. Then 4 eights are 32. Right? This 4 sevens are 28, 34, then 4 eights are 32, 2 are remaining. So 0.5 minus 50, that means 28.5 centimeter square. Area of minor segment is 28.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of major segment, which can be given as area of circle minus area of minor segment. Now what is the area of circle? Pi r square minus this we know that is 28.5. Here 3.14 minus into 10 into 10 minus 28.5, which is again 314 minus 28.5. So if you will subtract it, what you will get? 0.5 as it is, and then 285. Okay. So 4.0, 0 minus 5 is what? 5. Then here it is 13. 13 minus 8 is what? 5. Then here it is what? 0. 0 minus 2 is 8, and then 285. So area of minor is 28.5 and area of major segment is 285.5 centimeter square. Let's go ahead with sum number next, that is sum number 5.
In a circle of radius 21 cm, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find number 1 the length of the arc, number 2 area of the sector formed by the arc, number 3 area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord.
Given radius is equal to 21 centimeter, theta is equal to 60 degree. Then what we are going to find out number 1 arc length, number 2 sector's area, and number 3 is what? Corresponding area of segment. Now what is corresponding area of segment? If this is what our diagram, this is what center, and if this is what 60 degree, then this is what? The corresponding segment, and this is corresponding sector. Okay, so how can we do arc length? Can be given as theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Arc length is what? Related to the circumference. So it is what? 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 radius. 7 ones are 7 threes are 60 ones are 60, 6 six are this one. So again 2 ones are 2 threes are this 3 and 3 also gets cancelled. So what is our length? Our length is equal to 22 centimeter. Is that okay? Now similarly the second part, that is area of sector, which is equal to what? Pi r square theta into pi r square into theta by 360, which will be 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Theta is equal to how much? 60 upon 360. So cancel 6. 7 ones are 7 threes are again 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 11s are, means 21 into 1 21, 21 into 1 21 plus 2, that is 231 centimeter square. This is what area of sector. Now the remaining part of sum number 5, that is area of segment. Corresponding segment can be given as area of sector minus area of triangle, which can be given as area of sector is equal to what? 231, which we have got, minus area of triangle can be given as half into r square into sin theta, can be given as 231 minus half into what is r square here, 21 into 21. Now sin theta, here the theta is 60 degree. Okay, so sin 60 degree is what? Under root 3 upon 2. So how can we do it? 231 minus 21 into 21 is 441 under root 3 upon 4. Now if you will calculate this value, that is 441 divided by 4 will multiply by 3. So it will come at approximate 190.95. Okay, approx. Right? Depends on you. You can just find out the value of root 3. Then multiply by 441 divided by 4. Okay. The basic subtraction. So 231.00 minus 190.95. First you will be getting 0, 5, and then the rest of that thing. That is 230 is remaining 190. So 230 minus 190 is what? 40.05 centimeter square. So let's go ahead with sum number 6.
A chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73.
Where we have to use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. What we have to do? Area of the minor segment. So area of minor segment can be given as area of minor sector, right? Minus area of corresponding triangle, right? So if you are finding the area of minor sector, what it will be? It will be pi r square into theta upon 360. Then minus this one is 1 by 2 into r square into sin theta. Got it? Now pi is told that 3.14, r is 15 into 15, theta is 60 upon 360, then minus 1 by 2, r is again 15 into 15, sin theta is what? Sin 60, which is equal to 3.14, 0 0 cut, 6 1s are 6 6s are, so 3 2s are 3 5s are, so 75 will come here, 55s are divided by 2. Here also 2 2 5 root 3, sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2, so divided by 4. Right or wrong? So now what can we do? Either we will multiply this 2 and then we will divide it by 2, and then the same thing here, divide by 4 and then the next sum. Okay, so here it will be 3.14 into 75 upon 2 minus 225 into 1.73 upon 4. Okay, so after calculating here you will get 117.75 minus 97.31. So if you will solve that, 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 7 minus 3 is again 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay. So what is the area of minor segment? It is 20.44 centimeter square. Now area of major segment. How can we do? Therefore, area of major segment can be calculated as area of circle minus area of minor segment, which can be given as, okay, what is area of circle here? Pi r square minus 20.44. Pi means 3.14 into 15 into 15 minus 20.44. So it is 225 into 3.14, which is equal to 706.5 minus 20.44. Here 50 minus 44 will give you 0.6. 706 minus 20. What it is? 6 minus 0 is 6. 70 minus 2 is 686. So area of the corresponding major segment is equal to 686.06. Now question number 7. In question number 7, theta is equal to 120 degree, which is what a central angle. And due to COVID-19, CBSE has reduced some part. In that part from chapter number 12, the sums involving theta is equal to 120 degree are not the part of the syllabus this year. So the sums wherever you will be getting the theta is equal to 120 degree, with that sums are what? Not the part of the syllabus this year. So here the sum number 7, which is of the sum exercise number 12.2, we are not going to do it this year. Okay, so here only we are taking the half today, that is exercise number 12.2, first 6 sums. A quick recap for this is what? Here the sums were involving, depending on the area of the circle, area of the sector, area of the segment, then some are planned. Okay, what is area of sector? It is theta by 360 into pi r square. What is arc length? It is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. What is area of the minor segment? The area of the minor segment can be found out by finding the area of the sector, and from that area we have to remove the area of triangle. Okay, and the formula for that, that is area of minor segment, can be given as area of sector, that is theta upon 360 upon area of sector, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square, minus area of the triangle. A new formula is what? 1 by 2 into r square into sin theta, which can give you a shortcut method, which is what easy to understand also. So hopefully you have understood whatever we have discussed today of exercise number 12.2. We are taking a break here. Very soon we will meet with our next video where we will solve the remaining sums of exercise number 12.2. So till that time, be happy, be at home and be safe, and try to shine like a star by using your all potentials. So till that time, keep happy. Thank you.